see your whole crew be looking real fucking dumb. If you run up, I guarantee I pop you. Cause if you don't, I guarantee I drop you. Don't try to play the best. Cause me and my team, dog, we come through and we ain't got no vest. We straight chest out with the chains on, still beefing. I don't give a fuck if G me still eating. On these streets, niggas think it's sweet, but it's not, dog. Cause you can bring the beef and I'll bring the heat. And now you fucked up, laying on the ground, stomach out, now your fucking luck's up. Don't try to step to the kid. Please believe I got 2 to 3 things, dog, stuffed in your wig for playing dumb. That's just your head, your body dead. Next comes your legs. Now you can't walk, straight wheelchair bound. If you even run around the fucking town, you might be gone, you might be fucking dead. But so what? Your bitch gave me head. That's why the beef started. Ain't that retarded? Niggas don't get money, niggas get real dumb. What the fuck? You can see me, dog, 1 for 1 or 2 for 2. Matter of fact, bring your crew.
Who won it now, man? Bam? Come on, get the fucking cam there, nigga. Let me get this shit. Run the beat back. I ain't running that beat back, nigga. Fuck that beat. I ain't play it because